So ZR53 is our most popular product. This is a 3+ year durability. It applies very easily. It is high gloss, high hydrophobic. The durability, the ease of use, and the price point are what really make this our most popular product. So let's see what's inside the box. So inside the box, we have our bottle of ZR53. This is a 50 milliliter bottle. So more than enough for doing one vehicle, and you can probably get at least 2 vehicles out of this, depending on the size of the vehicle and your application process. We also have a foam applicator block. Foam applicator block has the side cuts in there to hold your suede applicators. And then we also include multiple suede applicators. There is a dropper for the neck of the bottle. And then we also include within it 2 microfiber towels. They're different colors. One is a lighter gray, one is a darker gray. And they're designed just to make sure that you have easier identification about which towel you've used for leveling, which towel you've used for wiping, etc., etc. We also include within this the nitrile gloves. Oops. We include the nitrile gloves, as well as a nice Nasiol sticker, and then some application literature as well. And if you ever get stuck on an application, how to use the product, how to install it, how to apply it, all of our packaging has a QR code. The QR code, once you scan it, will actually go to our official website, and this will take you directly to the ZR53's, in this case, product page. The product page will give you more information about what the product is, tips for installation, as well as application and installation videos.